Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up and manage multiple accounts in Archero 2. Trust me, it's super easy once you know the steps. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need an extra Gmail or email account. This will be used to create your additional Archero profiles. If you already have one, great. If not, quickly create a new Gmail. It only takes a minute. Next, make sure you've got the Google Play Games app installed. You can find it on the Google Play Store. Don't confuse this with the Play Store itself. The Play Games app is specifically used to manage your saved game data. Once installed, open it up. It'll usually log you in automatically using your main Google account, so no worries there. Now, let's switch accounts. Inside Google Play Games, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner, select Settings, and scroll all the way down. Here, you'll find the option called Change Account for Games. Find our Archero 2 in the list, tap on Change, and then choose Sign Out. This will unlink your current account from the game. Now, go back to Google Play Games, tap your profile icon at the top right, and switch to your second Gmail account. Once that's done, close the app and launch Archero 2. When the game opens, it'll prompt you to sign in with the new account. Select your second email, click Continue, and set up a fresh profile. And that's it. You're now logged into a brand new Archero 2 account. You'll start from level 1, but your original account is still safe and can be accessed anytime by repeating the same switching process. If you plan to manage more than 2 accounts, just add multiple Gmail accounts to your device. Then, whenever you want to switch, just use the Change Account for Games option inside Google Play Games. No reinstalling, no complicated steps. And that's it, guys. Now you know how to set up and manage multiple Archero 2 accounts on the same device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to the channel, and check out my other Archero guides.